Hi there, we're taking a look at the LS tractor MT342. This is the SHST, stands for Servo Hydro. Means the pedals are going to press much easier than a standard hydro. This is a premium series tractor, so we've got the extendable 3-point links, 2 sets of rear hydraulics, and the rear access to the 3-point raising and lowering. The R4 industrial tires, quick attach loader with universal skid steer quick attach. This MT342 is the smallest horsepower in this frame size. We've got the 42, 47, 52, and 57 horsepower options all available in this same frame size. Full feature cab, heat, air conditioning, radio, front rear wipers, whole 9 yards.